Back in '99, with the first generation, the BMW X5 changed the meaning of the word SUV, introducing sheer driving pleasure into this segment. Now, we are back to change everything once again. And this is the all-new BMW X5. With its powerful presence, the exterior is simply impressive. And the interior offers luxury and comfort at its best. Ladies and gentlemen, the boss is back on the road again.
The vehicle is a clear statement of craftsmanship, increased comfort and individualization options, featuring the new pure exterior and interior designs. Thanks to BMW Efficient Dynamics, we are setting the benchmark in performance and emissions once again. The newly introduced S-Drive 25D, for instance, emits just 149 grams of CO2 per kilometer, a best-in-class figure. On the other hand, the most powerful engine in the X-Drive 50i delivers 330 kilowatts and 650 Newton-meter, pure driving pleasure. To make sure the power can be handled with ease, we offer adaptive dynamic suspension packages as well as comfort-oriented options. The all-new BMW X5 is launched with all the latest features our customers appreciate. For increased relaxation, in the second row we offer comfort seats. As you would expect, the vehicle remains fully functional and versatile, even including the option of a third row of seats, for example. And last but not least, the all-new BMW X5 is equipped with the latest BMW Connected Drive features for outstanding convenience. The Traffic Jam Assistant enables the driver to relax in heavy traffic and enjoy the infotainment systems, for instance.
Well, the major thing about the new BMW X5 is its overall character. The front of the new BMW X5 really is about status and it's about presence. And we've achieved that design-wise by connecting the kidneys and the headlamps into one unit. The side view of the new BMW X5 is a combination of elegance and sportiness. And we achieved that through a strong character line that really stretches the car from front to rear. And through that character line, we also managed to break up the body in light and shadow surfaces that allows us to give status and muscularity at the same time as a lightweight overall feeling to the car. The rear of the new BMW X5, in typical BMW fashion, is about width, it's about stance, and it's also about L-shaped tail lamps. And we have these three-dimensional light bars that have very clear, very precise, homogeneous lighting. The materials in the interior of the all-new BMW X5 have a lot to do with a certain feeling of luxury. They also create a feeling of precision, a feeling of elegance, a feeling of purity. And through the combination of these elements, we believe we have a typical BMW X5 feeling in the interior.
In 1999, BMW unveiled the first generation of a new all-wheel drive, five-door vehicle that kicked off an unprecedented success story. We're talking about the BMW X5. Today, we have a chance to check out all three generations at a glance so that you can actually see BMW's work of progress. Now, this is the first generation, which actually founded an entirely new car segment back then, the sports activity vehicle. This is the second generation, or the current BMW X5 model, which was launched in 2006. And this is the all-new BMW X5. When you look at the front of the Trio, you'll see that the X5 has always appeared sturdy. On the new model, the kidney grille and the headlamps form a visual unit, which increases the powerful performance. And speaking of which, dynamic is clearly embodied in the silhouette of the X5. As you can see here, the length slightly increased with each model, and the dynamic appearance progressed with each new generation. For comfort and practicality, the BMW X5 has always come with a split tailgate. And to give the all-new BMW X5 a solid stand on the road, the taillights have been revised with the thin blade design. Now let's have a look at the interior. From day one, the BMW X5 has been praised for its luxurious interior. For one, the cabin is very spacious. I'm about 185, and it suits me perfectly well. I have enough headroom, I have enough space to breathe. But what's even more is the superb finish and fine materials, always ahead of the competition. These virtues have been further optimized in the all-new BMW X5. Now, the front and back row come with comfort seats, and you can get an additional third row seating as an option. All in all, it's so luxurious that you kind of get the feel that you're sitting in a BMW 7 Series. With the BMW X5, you can go wherever you want, but with the typical BMW driving pleasure. Now, the first generation is a 4x4. The second and third generation are equipped with BMW xDrive for even more driving pleasure. A range of high-performance engines allows sporty driving performance and low fuel consumption. Now, the range of new engines ranges from 160 to 330 kilowatt, and fuel consumption is down by up to 17% compared to the second generation. Now, if we look at this in detail, with the xDrive 25D, for example, we're talking about a combined fuel consumption of only 5.6 liters on 100 kilometers, which is equal to only 149 grams of CO2 emissions per kilometer. That's efficient. Three generations of the BMW X5. All the trademark qualities that the X5 has been standing for ever since its inception have entered a new level with the all-new BMW X5, which shows the work of progress. And once again, it sets the benchmark for luxury and driving pleasure for sports activity vehicles.